India was founded on 21st of December 1911, and we have now completed 99 years, and today we are entering our centenary year, and on 21st of December 2011 we will be completing our century. So 99 years have already been completed. This full year we will be celebrating. Today all our branches are celebrating the entering of centenary year. We will be having a separate program there at a very large scale there in Ravindra Bharati there very shortly there, perhaps next month there. We have got 3,700 branches all across the country there, and our business all across the country is more than 2,70,000 crores. Our bank has already achieved core banking services in all our branches there, and a function is being organized by our central office at Bombay there on 23rd December, where President of India is coming to inaugurate the function, and a postal stamp will be issued along with first day cover there to commemorate our founders' vision there. Unique features of Central Bank of India, you can say this bank is a wholly Swadeshi. This bank was founded with the Swadeshi in the mind. It was founded by Sir Sorabji Pochkhanwala when he was working with the Standard Chartered Bank. He found that the policies of the Britishers were discriminatory. They were not giving the same pay which they were giving to Britishers. Although our founder, after passing CIB, which was a qualification for bankers, at that time when he applied for the promotion as an officer, he was denied the post of officer there, and Britishers were given, he was being paid a salary of 125 rupees, whereas Britishers were being paid a salary of 2,000 rupees in those times. Then there came a moment when he decided to quit Standard Chartered Bank, and with the help of other Parsi and some other businessmen from which is now presently Gujarat. At that time it was Bombay State. He started a bank in Bombay which has now grown to this size of 2,70,000 crores. We have got expansion plans abroad. In next 3 years we will be opening about 25 to 30 branches in next 3 years. In Hyderabad we are going to open a branch in Vijayanagar colony for which we have already advertised, and in next 3 to 4 months we will be opening a branch in Vijayanagar at Hyderabad, which will be especially for NRIs only.